Just a quick update video on the Arduino laser controller version 2. This allows you to control a low power laser, like 1 to 5 watts, with your 3D printer without having to modify your firmware or anything like that. What it does is it hooks up to your extruder here with this universal bracket. You take a scrap DC motor. That motor, when your stepper motor is turning, so when it's supposed to be extruding plastic, we're generating a signal here. That signal comes down to analog input 0 on the Arduino, which is then read by the Arduino as a number between 0 and 1023, and then we can set inside the firmware here, we can set a trigger voltage, which I have set to 205 right there. If the voltage is greater than that set voltage, and our safety switch is turned on, then it will it'll power the laser. So I'll just show you a quick demo here. I don't have the motor hooked up and I don't have the laser hooked up yet. Actually, my laser's not even sitting here by me, but we can kind of simulate it. I have the high output LED right here as a placeholder for the laser. We have a just a 5-volt relay. I don't have an extra power supply to run the laser, well, the LED, which is going to be the laser, through the relay, so we're just using the board power here. It's all powered by the computer. We have our safety toggle switch here, which you could have on a door, on the front of your 3D printer, or just a toggle switch on the side of it. Alright, I can't seem to get this to focus properly, but anyways, just kind of give a quick rundown of it. You trigger your safety switch here, and the armed light comes on right there. It's on, or off, on, off, on. And then, once it's armed, you have to have the input voltage coming from the motor up there. So that I'm just going to put right to 5 volts to simulate that. So when both of those things are true in the code right here, it then powers the transistor, which powers the relay, which then turns on the laser. If we turn off the safety switch, circuit goes off. So both the safety switch and the input voltage have to be meeting the criteria here for it to drive the laser. So I've got a little bit of tweaking to go yet, but this layout that I have here is pretty much exactly what I have here, and it's working. So more updates to come. See ya.